Single arm. Exhale up. Palm over elbow. Palm over elbow. Elbow in line with shoulder. Drive upward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Hold it. Relax. Opposite arm. Exhale up. Palm in line with elbow. Elbow in line with shoulder. Upward. Ready? Exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Hold. Relax. Return to start. Arms down by the side. Finger along the seam. Shoulder width apart. Heel in line with toe. Exhale up. Palm over elbow. Swing the elbows out only wide enough to keep the palm over the elbow. Then we drive upward. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. Hold. Slowly relax. Pull up your pants. Pull directly up under the armpit. Exercise. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 5. We hold it. And then we slowly relax it. The squat. Drive backwards with your gluteus maximus. Push backward and hold. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push forward. We then combine this thrusting forward and then up onto your toes. Squat thrust. Ready? Exercise. Push backward. Thrust forward and up. Push backward. Push forward and up. Push backward. Push forward and up. Push backward. Push forward and up. It's down and up. It's down and then it's up. It's down and up. It's down and then it's up. One more and hold. Slowly, slowly push up. Calf raise, wide leg stance. Heel in line with toe. No movement at the leg. Exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5. Hold it up. And then relax. Bring the heels in. Shoulder width. Exercise. 1, 2, 3.